subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is video number 5 for important question answer series for UGC NET exam. And in case you haven't watched last 4 videos, you can check for the link in the description box below. So the rules are same. You just have to pause the video, answer the question and resume your video to check if you were right or wrong, and comment down your scores below. So इस क्वेश्चन पे हमने लास्ट टाइम आपके लिए क्विज क्वेश्चन था ये, एंड so let's start with this question only. So the question is, the tool used for public relations are, so public relations के ऊपर हैं ये सारे, so जो tools हैं उनको हमें guess करना है. So option number 1 is organizing a press conference, second is issuing a press release, third is managing media relations, and last is advertising for promotions. So basically इसमें हमारा D option गलत है, बाकी सारे सही हैं. So A, B and C, that is code number 1. So these are the tools that are used for public relations. Now next question is assertion. Maintenance of fabrics made from low twisted yarns is easier for the consumer, and the reason is low twisted yarns shed soil easily since there is less space between the fibers for soil to settle. So your time starts now. Okay, so I hope you must have paused the video and then answered this question. So let's see the codes. First one says, see, the assertion means maintenance of fabric from low twisted. Basically जिन yarns में low twist होता है, they are easy for the consumer. So this is absolutely wrong. And the second, the reason they give is that low twisted yarns shed soil easily since there is less space between them. See, this is also wrong, because when the twists are low, then there is more space. अगर twist कम होंगे तो space ज़्यादा होगी, and basically वो maintain करना भी easy नहीं होता. So in this question, assertion and reason दोनों गलत है, which is code number 3. Both assertion and reason are incorrect. Now the next question is, arrange the following stages of group development as proposed by Bruce Tuckman in sequential order. So these are basically the steps, stages, and if you remember मैंने ये वीडियो भी शेयर किया था. अगर आप लोगों ने नहीं देखा है, just check the link below and go to the playlist, or I'll definitely add the link. Just click on that link and see this video. बहुत important है, बहुत बार एग्जाम में आई है, and you need to know all these stages. Okay, so the stages given are storming, performing, norming, forming and adjourning. So you have to arrange them in sequence. Okay, so your time is up now. See, the first stage is forming. सबसे पहले group form होता है. Then comes storming. After that, third stage, that is norming. Then fourth is performing, and last is adjourning. So the sequence basically becomes DACBE. That is option number 4, DACBE. So this is the correct answer. Now next question is, following food is not allowed in a clear fluid diet. So clear fluid diet में से इनमें से कौन सी चीज़ allowed नहीं होती है? Black tea allowed होती है, and basically any tea and coffee without milk is allowed. Coconut water is also allowed. Carbonated beverage is also allowed, but milk is not allowed. So the answer to this question becomes milk, क्योंकि बाकी सब allowed होता है, but milk allowed नहीं होता. Next question is, which is the correct danger zone in food production? So basically food production के time पे कौन सा danger zone exact correct होता है? So options are 45 degree Fahrenheit to 115 degree Fahrenheit, then 41 degree Fahrenheit to 135 degree Fahrenheit, then comes 35 degree Fahrenheit to 120 degree Fahrenheit, and last is 38 degree Fahrenheit to 145 degree Fahrenheit. So your time starts now. Okay, I hope you all must have answered the question. See, the correct answer is B, which is 41 degree Fahrenheit to 135 degree Fahrenheit. Approximately जो range है, that is from 40 degree Fahrenheit to 140 degree Fahrenheit. And अगर हम options देखें तो this is the nearest, क्योंकि इसमें भी देखो कितना gap आ गया, but this is the nearest to the particular zone, and this particular zone is known as danger zone. तभी कहते हैं कि कभी भी खाना जो है वो फ्रिज से बाहर 2 घंटे से ज़्यादा नहीं रखना चाहिए, बिकॉज जो ये टेम्परेचर होता है ना, इसमें बैक्टीरियल ग्रोथ सबसे ज़्यादा होती है और बहुत तेज़ होती है. सो इसीलिए इसको हम फ्रिज में रखते हैं खाने को, इस टेम्परेचर में नहीं छोड़ना चाहिए खाने को. Now next comes, which of the following is the theory of clothing? First is individuality, second conformity, third tattooing, and fourth is modesty. And your time starts now. So okay, the correct answer to this question is modesty. See, जो theory of clothing है ना, उसके अंदर मैप याद रख लो, modesty, adornment and protection. And इस पर्टिकुलर में अगर हम देखें तो यहाँ पे है which of the following is है, तो हमारा मॉडेस्टी ही इन ऑप्शंस में से करेक्ट है. कई बार क्या होगा, आपको बोलेंगे इज़ नॉट, उसमें ये 3 प्लस कोई भी एक एडिशनल नाम दे देंगे. सो यू नीड टू नो द 3 थ्योरी ऑफ क्लोथिंग. सो हियर मॉडेस्टी इज द आंसर. नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, डेनियर इज द वेट इन ग्राम्स ऑफ, फर्स्ट इज 9000 meters of yarn, second is 1000 meters of yarn, third is 560 meters of yarn, and last is 840 meters of yarn. Okay, the correct answer to this question is 9000 meter of yarn. Now next question, which of the following is concerned with the functions of management? First Henry Fayol, second Taylor, third Gilbert, and last is Elton Mayo. Okay, so your time is up now. The correct answer to this question is Henry Fayol. Now the next question is, who was the initiator of Gurgaon experiment under rural reconstruction? Options are Rabindranath Tagore, second Ethel Brand, third Daniel Hamilton, and last Malcolm Marshall. Okay, so the correct answer to this question is Ethel Brand. He was the initiator of Gurgaon experiment under rural reconstruction. And this is the last question, also a quiz question for you all. I really expect everyone's comment in the section, in the comment box below. So the question is, as per the Aristotle's model of communication, the 3 dimensions of persuasive speech are ethos, empathy, mythos, ethos, logos, pathos, empathy, chaos, pathos, and last is logos, ethos, and leos. And I'm just giving you a hint. I have discussed this topic, मैंने इस पे वीडियो बनाई हुई है. Check the videos in the section and then comment the answer. So guys, thank you so much and keep studying hard, and please like and comment if you like the video. Thank you so much and wish you all the very best. Take care.